Who's that? Wow, check this out, what came in the mail today. I've been waiting for this for quite a few days now. This is the new NEMO underwater drone, and today we're going to unbox it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Matthias and I'm an underwater cinematographer and filmmaker based in Zurich, Switzerland. Today is a special day. Today we're making a special video because I just got this little baby here delivered, the NEMO underwater drone. I've been waiting for this for quite a few weeks and I'm very excited to be able to take it with me on my upcoming trip to Egypt, which I'm leaving onto in about 2 weeks time from now. And I'll have plenty of time during those 2 weeks in Egypt to test out the NEMO underwater drone and see where its limitations are and for what kind of users it might be useful. So I know that a lot of YouTubers open up their packages when they're doing unboxings with some cool knives that they're using for that. Now I don't really have such a cool knife, but because I'm Swiss, what I do have is a Swiss Army knife, so I'm actually gonna use that to open this package. Alright, let's go and find out what is inside this package. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice packaging. So we have a backpack. I'll show you in a minute. A backpack that is there to transport the drone. Ooh, and there it is. Look at this. This is the NEMO underwater drone. Let's take it out. Ooh. Oh, hey. Oh. All right. What else is in here? This looks like, well, we just take all this out. Oh. It's gonna be easier than in the package. Right. Okay. Get rid of the package and let's start with the first one here. So this is NEMO. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to NEMO. Very cool. It's a bit bigger than what I've expected. Nice. Alright. And what else have we got here? So there's some quick start guides, instructions. Alright, so what do we got here? So this is the spool that is being connected to the drone as far as I remember. Let's see. So this is our drone and that will probably just go just like that in here. Perfect, yeah. So that's how you connect your drone to your device so that you can actually maneuver the drone and see what you're, where you're going and what you're filming underwater. Pretty cool. Okay. Then what else have we got in here? This looks like the charger for the battery. else in here. This probably is the battery, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is actually what goes into... This is what goes into the spool here. Alright. Then we've got chargers, power plug, and this is the battery. Look at this. This is quite a battery, and that's the one that is being fitted into the drone. Let's get rid of this. Alright, let's see. So we've got our drone, that's our battery, and this will probably just go in here, and then it just screws down into the NEMO. Alright, okay. Ooh, there was a noise. There was a sound, so it seems like it's powering up. Nice. Oh, look, we've got lights. Nice. Okay, I'll have to go and look at that in a minute. Cool stuff. So, this is it. This is our NEMO drone. The spool that we're using, batteries for it, chargers, and more chargers. So that's what you're getting in the package. Oh yes, and of course, the bag. I nearly forgot about this. The backpack that comes with it, so you can carry that drone with you, which I find very handy. Let's have a look inside. Let's see how this is organized inside. So what you've got in here, well, there's a second bag in here, very nice, which is for the spool. So you can carry that one in here. Nice job. And then you've got quite a nice backpack, I have to say. Let's see. So you can place your drone in there, and you've got plenty of space in here. There's lots of little compartments on the top, there on the sides as well, so you can put the smaller stuff like the charger, the battery for the spool, all that stuff can go in there. And then you've obviously got this little bag that can be used to transport the spool, which is cool, I think. Oh, and it actually extends, so you can make this bigger if you're putting the spool inside. So it extends, and you've got a little bag that you can use to transport that too. Pretty neat. So let's just quickly talk about why I've received this NEMO underwater drone. I've been looking at underwater drones for quite some while already. As you know, one of my biggest passions, actually one of my sources of income, is my work as an underwater cinematographer, as an underwater cameraman. So naturally I was very interested when I heard that underwater drones have developed with their technology and have come down in their price so that they've become affordable for normal people like you and me. I was mainly interested in getting to know in what situations, what scenarios these drones would be most useful to have and to use. And actually not too long ago, the company that produces the NEMO underwater drone, which is called Aquarobotman, which I find a very cool name by the way, they've reached out to me and they've asked me whether I would like to test their new NEMO underwater drone. Obviously, I was very thrilled after they've reached out to me, and I said yes, I would love to test out the drone. And as it happened, I was just planning a trip, a diving trip, a vacation trip to Egypt, which I'm going to go on in about 2 weeks' time from now on. So they agreed to send me one of their drones, and in exchange I'm going to take it to Egypt in 2 weeks with me, and I'll have 2 weeks that I'll be testing this drone in Egypt, trying all kinds of different things, seeing in what scenarios the drone performs well, and maybe also in what scenarios it's not recommended to use it. So I have plenty of time to test it out. First week I'll be staying at a resort near Marsa Alam, and then on the second week I'll be going on a liveaboard, spending 7 nights on a liveaboard and doing more testing with the drone during that time too. So I'm very excited to do that. I still don't know exactly how I'm going to bring all this to Egypt. It's not like I'm not having enough luggage as it is already, but I'll probably just have to squeeze it somewhere between my luggage, check it in, and just leave more t-shirts and clothing here in Switzerland, and only just take the absolute bare minimum when it comes to clothing with me. I won't really need much anyways. Alright guys, now if you want me to test anything specific with the NEMO underwater drone while I'm in Egypt, please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to test it in as many ways as you can possibly think of, as long as I've got the time and I can manage to test it in whatever way you'd like me to do that. If there's any other questions about the NEMO underwater drone, feel free to drop them down in the comment section as well, and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. So that was it already for today's quick unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching guys, and I'm very excited to head off to Egypt and give this NEMO underwater drone a proper testing during my time there, and I'll be sure to make some videos about that and keep you updated on my thoughts and my opinion on whether or not I can recommend getting this underwater drone and in what situations it is really useful. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this coming up in the future. Thank you very much for that. Have a great Sunday, and I will see you next week.